Hello, in front of me I've got Hator Skyfall 65. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. To hot swap switches, firstly prepare the switch puller. Now use this part to remove keycaps. Now, using the second part of the switch puller, place it over the switch, press the button and then pull it. Just like this. After replacing the switches, make sure you align them correctly and press it inside. So, place it over, push, and then press the button at the top. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.